Hello friends, I hope y'all are doing well. Sorry, this is my second time to go live. The first one was not working. Welcome. Today we're doing a Saleabration swap show, so see if I can pick it up. I have this many swaps to show you from Saleabration. Starts tomorrow. So I was going to skip my Facebook Live today because I'm doing a whole Saleabration kickoff tomorrow. But I have all these swaps to share. So I want to show you these swaps, all of them. And we will do our catalog kickoff, Saleabration kickoff tomorrow, the 4th of January, 2024 at 1 Central. All right, I'm going to flip you around here and show you all the goodies. All right, so tomorrow, today is January 3rd. By the way, in case you didn't know, you're still in a Christmas fog. Today is January 3rd, and tomorrow is the launch of Saleabration. So tomorrow you'll be able to earn free items with purchase from Stampin' Up. I do want you to realize that today is the last day to order from the holiday catalog. If you're watching this on January 3rd of 2024, you still have a chance to get the items that you didn't get from the holiday catalog. And you may notice this gorgeousness that's underneath my stamping area, brand new glass mat. So we'll talk about that as well. I'm gonna zoom you out so you can see the whole thing. All right, so let's get started. Starting the 4th of January, you'll be able to earn free items with purchase. Now, this little catalog is should be in the mail to you if you're one of my customers. If you're a happy shopper, you should have already received it from Stampin' Up. Also, this catalog launches tomorrow. It's our spring mini catalog. You can see I have a lot of swaps to share tomorrow during our catalog kickoff. So make sure and catch my other video. So if you're not already a subscriber on YouTube, then subscribe to me at papermadeprettier on YouTube. My name is Cogbill, so you won't miss that. So you'll notice when you're looking at our Saleabration catalog, all these pretty things, the first thing to notice is anytime you see a circle that says, oh, you know what? Maybe I'm not supposed to show this catalog yet. Okay, I'll keep it. I think I can't show that catalog until tomorrow. That's right. I'm just going to show you the cards that I made with the catalog. All right, so our first free with purchase item is the watercolor melon stamp set, okay? And we have so many cute samples with it. It is a distinctive stamp. So it is a stamp that will look varied no matter how you do it. It was one ink here is what we're doing here. Super cute. I've got so many of these cute little samples to show you. All right, the next is this designer paper is called Sunny Days. Hold on, let me grab my paper samplers that I've made to show you this whole set of designer paper. Here it is. So Sunny Days designer paper, super cute. You can earn a pack of paper free with purchase, $50 purchase. So you don't want to miss that. You can make some cutie cards with it. Some strawberries in that designer paper. And there's one more card made with that cute designer paper. This coordinates with a stamp in the mini catalog called Bright Skies Bundle. And the watermelon, you're going to need to make sure you have the modern oval punch. Oh, great. Oh, yay, Debbie. Good to see you. And hello, Maria and Melinda. Great to see all y'all. All right, next is the Flight and Airy Designer Series paper. So we have these gorgeous floral patterns with little birds of flight. And the backs of these design, and this is a 12 by 12 paper. The back of this paper has some wonderful monochromatic images. And I know this is a favorite because I have so many swaps with it. We have this gorgeous swap. Love it. This actually uses 2 items. This is a stamp set we'll get to. Let's see, another Flight and Airy. See, the paper does all the work. I mean, these cards are cute, but you can see that the paper is the star of the show here. So Flight and Airy designer paper. Love it. And there's some a new stamp set as well. Let me grab, see if I can find them quickly. If not, I'll skip. But I had all right. I have these stamp sets to show you when I get to them. Here's the watercolor melon set. Sorry. All right, I don't have any cards yet with Cradled in Love, a cute, precious baby set. I'm sure people will make some lovely things with this. The next item in Saleabration. So that stamp set was free with $50 purchase. This paper called Softly Stippled Designer Paper is a 12 by 12 paper free with $50 purchase. Here is a card using that background of the softly stippled paper. So we have some really pretty cards here. Let's see if I can find, yeah. Here's another card made with that softly stippled designer series paper. That's free with $50 purchase. Now we have the Most Adorned specialty designer paper, which is honestly, it doesn't like scream Valentine's. I mean, it does the way I'm showing you because obviously Valentine's, but the backs of it are so versatile. So even if you don't use it all during Valentine's, you can use it afterwards. So you want to grab a pack of this. It's a 12 by 12 paper that's free with $50 purchase. We have some embellishments that are free with a $50 purchase. I don't have any of those, or I would show you. They're called Opaque Faceted Gems, and they're Coral, Pecan Pie, and Pool Party. All right, now we have a stamp set called Heartfelt Hellos, and it coordinates with the hexagon punch. I've already showed you a number of cards that have this stamp, I've seen this stamp. So we're making good use of all of these stamps. Here is a card using this stamp, Love You More. And I'll rewind you. Here's Love You More. But I think I saw one that used that hexagon. Right, here's one that uses that hexagon punch. So, super cute. We have the Trusty Toolbox 12 by 12 designer paper. I'm shocked that I don't have a card made with this yet. I feel like I do, but it's not in my stack, I suppose. But this 12 by 12 designer paper is free with $50 purchase, and it coordinates with the Trusty Tools bundle, which is in the Spring Mini Catalog. So you want to snatch up a bunch of that designer paper. Now, one of my favorites here is the Jungle R, the Jungle Pals. And I don't have the stamp set. Oh, yes, I do. I lied. The Jungle Pal stamp set and Jungle Pal dies. Now, don't even think about getting the stamp set without the dies. The stamp set has cute little critters. It's free with a $50 purchase. And then the dies have a ton of cute little cutouts. I haven't put my dies back where they go. That are free with a $100 purchase. This is a big hefty set of dies. So you're going to want this to make all your jungle little cutouts for your cards with these little sweeties. So there's all your Jungle Pal dies, free with a $100 purchase. And I just love this card. I copied it basically almost straight out of the book with some what do you call it? Inspiration from Amy Condors, one of my favorite stampers. All right, next is Softly Sophisticated. And I don't, do I? Yes, I have it right in front of me. Now, there's an embossing folder that I don't have right in front of me, but it makes these cool, like, chain embossing impressions. And we've got this gorgeous floral set plus some perfect little sentiments. So you'll definitely want to add this to your collection. But you get the stamp set plus the embossing folder called Softly Sophisticated Embossing. Oh, it's literally right next to me. I said I didn't have it, but I do. Softly Sophisticated 3D Embossing Folder. So much to earn for free. All right, so those are gorgeous. And then our final card that I've already showed you, but I had to re-show you because it's so stunning, is this detailed dogwood. This is a free set with $100 purchase, and you'll definitely want to order enough to get that as well. Now, Saleabration is for January and February. So the way I would plan is to order first what you love the most, earn what you love the most for free, and then space out what you want. You're going to not want to miss things. We know that some things sell out, so we don't want to miss what we really love. Now, let me show you something else about Saleabration, and that is that you can earn this glass mat studio for free with a starter kit. So your starter kit is $125 for $99, which is a great deal, but you're going to earn this whole glass mat studio for free when you get a starter kit. Okay, so you're already getting a great deal on the starter kit, plus you get this cool glass mat. Okay, it's non-slit, it's non-stick, it's tempered glass, it's not reflective. It's got a white background and this grid that you've got either metric or imperial. It's heat resistant. You can heat emboss on it, and you can wipe it clean with alcohol or water. So like for instance, I wrote this not as neatly and then wiped it off with alcohol with a permanent marker. Okay. And then you can mix your inks over here, but that's not all that comes with the glass mat. Let me see if I can get the rest of it. So we have a cool little non-stick silicone mat. It's a multi-use mat. Now it's sticky. Like when I set that down, it's not going anywhere. It's like stuck. All right. And each little, there's little spot to put your ink spots. So those don't slip all around everywhere. And if you set an ink pad in here, then the ink pad is going to stay still. It's not going to move around. And also you can put water here and really scrub your brushes. So this is a nice little surface to scrub your brushes. You can also mix your inks here, okay? Or here. It doesn't matter. If you mix them here, it could stain your little silicone, but what's the point? They're jewels, not tools. Tools, not jewels, right? So I am keeping my silicone mat on something on the package it came in, just because I don't want it to get all funky, because it's sticky on the bottom. So we don't want that. And then if I can find it, I've been using it so much, but it comes with a super cool cleaning cloth. And I don't see it right now, but it's like a chamois, but a lot thinner. You can see it in the picture right here, but it is so cool because it gets wet immediately instead of like having to wait. And you can wipe your whole thing clean with it. So you'll see it in a future video, no worries. So you definitely want to go ahead and get the starter kit. You'll want to sign up with me, of course, and I will take care of you. You will love being on my team. A lot of the swaps that I just showed you came from people on my team, so we have so much fun with that. Don't forget to stay tuned tomorrow for our swap show with our mini catalog. So you're going to get to see all these cards. Now, I also want to talk to you about a class I'm having this week. And it's my favorite class of the month. I have it every single month. And it's called my Stamp Technique Club. So every month we learn a new stamp technique. Now, this was our very first technique. I don't even know when we did it. It was probably 4 or 5 years ago. But we learned how to make faux glass. So we stamped and shrunk that down to look like glass. We've learned about ink blocking. Every month I give you the little things to go into an album so you can kind of keep your tidy little album of things that we do. We've learned how to do heat embossing as well as sponge layering backgrounds. And I'll zip you through some more items that we have. These are older sets, but I just keep some of them in an album. We learned advanced masking. We did no-line watercoloring. I don't know if I'll remember all these names. We did the floating frame technique. Back when we had brush-o, we learned how to do that. Some more backgrounds with the glossy paper, heat embossing. This was brush-o with a spinner, salad spinner. We just like to get messy and fun. We used our, what do you call these, dies to emboss with. This is one of my favorites. We made a galactic background. This was a Northern Lights background. This is the Joseph's coat technique. So we made some cute little things. We learned how to mirror our stamp images. And we made a cool, like, glittery background with adhesive sheets. Of course, we have the wet wipe technique and the shaving cream technique. So I just love stamp techniques. I love getting messy with stamps, and this class is available every month live in Central Arkansas, Friday morning at 10, Saturday afternoon at 7, Saturday night, and then to go. So you'll get the videos, the PDFs, the instructions, and everything to go when you participate in that class. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you will get ready to celebrate with me tomorrow. We'll have a Facebook Live showing all of the cool things that you can earn for free when you purchase $50 or $100 worth of items. So get your list started, get going, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye.